Hi friends, today I have a special little gift mail, thank you gift, something that arrived that was a little bit of a surprise. If you didn't see it, on Galentine's Day we did a big collab with about 13 different channels, but the star of that, I'm gonna call her a star because, you know, was Deedee Bean. She was the coordinator and leader of the whole collab. She got us all together in the group, helped us figure out when we're gonna post, all the things, just, you know, the big helper, and just without her, I don't know, you know, how we could have pulled it all off. Quite frankly, it's a big endeavor. So great gal. If you don't know her, I'm sure everyone does, but just in case you don't know her, I'm going to link her channel down below. But anyway, she sent a message out to us that we'd be expecting something in the mail, and I figured it'd be like a card or something, just like, hey, thank you. But no, I went and I had a package. So it's got something in there. So I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to film it on here and thank her appropriately through this mechanism that we have, YouTube. She's just been a really great champion of all YouTube. She's gone and shared large channels, small channels, just all about the friendship and collaboration that's out there, and just a really great person. So she does live, she does regular videos. She's just a really great all-around person. So I'm going to open this up really quick and see what was said. I'm sure it's fabulous, but I'm just kind of curious. So I thought it would be fun. But yeah, so let's see what we have. I'm gonna put my hand in here. Okay. It's wrapped. Pickles is right here at my leg. That's why I'm kind of going like this. So she tends to like to grab. Pickles is my pug, if you're new. And she likes to chew on things. She's almost 3. You think she'd be past the teething aspect, but she likes to chew on everything. Okay, so there's 2 cards. So there's this with my name on it, and then Nancy, I don't remember if I sent you a magnet. Forgive me if I probably not. Honestly, I think I got an ornament for Christmas, and long story short, I have horrible mail service here, and that ornament came, I think, like either the week after Christmas, or I mean, it was too late for me to put it on my tree, so I have it on my desk. But yeah, my mail service is not good. But oh yeah, no, I don't have one of these, so this is awesome. So this is her channel, a little icon or mascot, or however you want to say it. It's her logo. That's the thing I'm looking for. Aw, that's really cool. Awesome. So if you're a bean beauty, I'm gonna put it. My desk is metal, so I'm sticking it to the side of my desk over here. All right, so let's see what we have here. So I'm gonna open the card first, and it's in purple, which is my favorite color. I don't know if she knew that, but wake me up when winter is over. Oh, that's funny. I like it. It's a little cute little card. Hope is the belief that good things will happen. This tells you what's inside. Am I supposed to wait to open? We'll figure it out. But let's open it up. I'm watching patiently, and hopefully she won't grab anything out from under me. So I'm trying to be careful. So we've got this thank you pen that's branded with her information, and this really cute heart. This is so cute. This is so awesome. I love the ribbon. That's beautiful. It's almost like, if it's not silk, it's really, you could use it as a twilly. It's really pretty. Put that up a little closer. It's a new day. It might be. And I love the zipper pull on the heart. It's really really pretty. Okay, let me put this right here. So this is a thank you pin with her logo. I wonder where you got it made. Did you say that in there? I know I saw the pin, but an inspirational pin to go with the pen holder to keep you motivated for YouTube and life. Oh, all right, awesome. This, that's cute. Let's open this up. Oh, it's beautiful. I love the color. Bloom where you're planted. That's perfect. I love it. All right, so it says, the heart wristless jewelry box is a symbol of this collab, and because I love each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. So that is what the box is. Does it say anything about the ribbon that's tying it? No, okay. So I'm going to take the ribbon off. It's really pretty. Like I said, it's a really nice like piece of fabric. Really pretty. I'm gonna put that right there so that I can put it on a bag. So it looks like this is from A New Day. I think it's a Target brand, if I remember correctly. But it's a really nice like sateen jewelry box. Oh, and fun little items inside. Okay, so I've got the notes in here. The cherry hoop earrings she made. Oh, fun. I'll put those right there. So the tiny charms can be, let's see here. I've got little tiny charms of different types. Little duck. Now that's her little favorite animal. So the tiny charms can be used for zipper pulls or to add to existing charms. The chapstick is from none other than our famous Buc-ee's. I've never been to a Buc-ee's, so that's cool. And the pen holder is my campaign to stop those pen marks in all handbags, as well as a thank you for supporting me and my channel by subscribing, and also support for all the rest of the group. That was the case in there. I love this little jewelry box. That's really cool. It has these little holes that you can put the earrings through. That's just really cool. I think it will really help me when I go on my next trip to just store things. I was throwing everything into like a little SLG the last time I traveled, and it didn't do well with keeping my stuff. So this is going to be a great addition, and I love the color. So thank you. That's so nice. That's so thoughtful. I think there's just a lot of thought and care that went into that, and just I think that's just the what like sums up how Deedee is in this community. She's just a very thoughtful and caring person, and thinks about all of everybody who's involved and how they can how she can show them how much they mean to the community. So it's just wonderful to be part of that friendship. So I really appreciate that, Deedee. Thank you again for inviting me to be part of Galentines. I really enjoy being part of that. Hope to do it again next year, and whatever other events that come up with the collabs that you have. So thanks so much for everything, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.